KNMNB 2020.
Hi.
Hi, Alicia.
Please.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm really good. It's great to be here.
Welcome to my house.
I have a couple of questions to ask you.
Okay, let's get started.
This is a beautiful house you have here.
Thank you so much.
What's your favorite room?
Actually, it's the one right here, which is my walk-in closet.
And why is that?
Because all my handbags are here.
And what's your favorite handbag?
Currently, it's this one, the newest addition to my collection, which was my Christmas gift.
Okay. And what's the most unusual item in your closet?
Oh, it has to be my abaya. I brought it as a memory from all those times when I used to work and live in UAE.
Ah, that's quite unusual indeed. Oh, I just noticed those earrings. They're quite lovely.
Thank you.
Where did you get those from?
So earring, this brooch and the necklace was a set, and it was a wedding gift from my mom-in-law.
Oh, nice. So what brings you to Poland?
Holiday this time.
And how long are you here for?
Around 5 days.
And where are you off to next?
Oh, next is going to be Italy, Rome this time.
How many countries have you been to so far?
So far, 42 countries and counting.
42, wow, that's amazing. What's your favorite country?
Oh, it has to be Australia.
Why is that?
Because they have the cutest animals in the world.
What's the longest flight you've been on?
Oh, can you believe it? It was over 14 hours.
14 hours, wow. And what's the first thing you do when you get home?
Oh, I dropped my suitcase down on the floor.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you have here?
Oh yeah, this is my favorite piece of decor in this house, and it was first ever gift that I got from someone very near and dear to my heart from his trip to Africa. And I think you might know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes, I do.
Here are the wedding cards, gifts from our lovely friends, another resemblance of Abu Dhabi. But let me show you something super cool. Look at this.
Oh, that looks cool.
Twinning.
Yeah, you look
It's like
identical.
twins. This is a cabin crew, Etihad flight attendant, and this reminds me of all those years spent on board of the aircraft. So I'm keeping this forever. Okay, let's go upstairs. I have to finish packing.
Yeah, let's. What is your hidden talent?
Oh, I can dance like Mick Jagger.
Can you show me?
Maybe later.
Maybe later. What's one thing you would tell your younger self?
Oh, don't be so hard on yourself, and things get better along the way.
What's one thing you should never forget when you travel?
Definitely your passport.
If you could pack just one thing, skincare or makeup, what would you take?
Oh, here I have both in my suitcase, but if that's just one, I would take skincare, that's for sure.
Have you met any interesting people on the plane?
Oh, I met one very interesting person, and he became my husband.
What's the most fancy hotel you've been to?
That definitely was the one in Chengdu in China. Super fancy, beautiful apartment.
And do you have any travel hacks?
Oh yeah, bring packing cubes in your check-in luggage.
Yes.
And always bring your own water on board the aircraft, sleeping mask, and lots of moisturizer.
Moisturizer. What's in the room to your right?
It's a secret for now.
What's the coolest thing you've ever done?
I rode the fastest roller coaster in the world.
And what's the scariest thing you've ever done?
I was swimming with sharks in Maldives.
And now that you're living in the UK, what is a misconception British people have about Poland?
That all Polish people want to live in UK.
And what's a misconception Polish people have about the UK?
That it's always raining there.
That is true. What's your favorite food to eat?
Currently, anything Asian.
And what's your favorite drink?
That would be red wine, because that's one drink that you can still consider somehow healthy.
And what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I have my coffee, and I check my YouTube for the comments from you guys.
And if there is one country you would like to live in, what would it be?
I always wanted to live in Australia, and I'll have to tell you one thing, dream big, because dreams come true, and I'm moving to Australia in 2 years.
Nice. Okay, I have some speed questions for you. Are you ready for this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, okay.
Ready? Yeah.
Light packer or heavy packer?
Definitely heavy packer in my case.
Traveling alone or with someone?
Always with someone.
Hot countries or cold countries?
Hot country.
Planes or road trips?
Of course, planes.
Morning person or night person?
Oh, definitely night person.
Okay, that concludes the questions, Alicia. It's been a pleasure. Yes, that's it. Yes.
Okay.
Thanks for having me today.
Thank you so much.
And
it was a pleasure.
I look forward to seeing you again.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.